What do we get? Is that a bluegill? There we go. Finally got one. Did he spit it? Oh, he's going under. Nice. Getting a good fight. Oh, it's a pickerel. That's a good size one. Oh. This is splashing me good. Oh boy. All right, we got a battle. You got all that fight out of you. I'd love for you to spit my hook. God, dude, these fish are... Look at them. Look at these things. It's a nice pick, though. Damn. This is some feisty fish. There we go. There we go. You're on board now. Let's get that fight out of you if you want to get that hook out of your mouth. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm pretty happy. I didn't think I was gonna get anything there today. Your mouth. Oh yeah, you got a big one. Oh damn, huh? Yes, you do. Oh, you're big. I want to be able to get a better grip of your mouth. You better chill. All right. Let's get some slack. Last thing I want is just smashing about. All right. Look at that mouth. Jesus, those are some freaking jaws. Oh. 25 inches. That was awesome.